In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Facebook business page. If you want to temporarily hide your business page from the public without permanently deleting it, unpublishing is a useful option. This allows you to take the page offline so people can no longer view it, while still keeping the page available for you to manage behind the scenes. It's a good choice if you are making updates, pausing your business activity, or simply don't want the page visible right now. To get started, log into Facebook. Once you are signed in, look at your profile picture and switch into the profile of the page you want to hide. This step is important because Facebook gives you different settings depending on whether you are using your personal profile or acting as the page. Make sure you've switched correctly before moving on. After that, click or tap your profile picture, or the menu icon to open your account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This is where Facebook keeps the controls for your page and account, including visibility and management options. When you are inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Your Information. In that area, look for Access and Control, then click or tap on it. This section contains options related to ownership, visibility, and page status, so take your time and make sure you choose the correct setting. Next, select Unpublish Page. Facebook may show you a brief explanation of what happens when you unpublish the page, so read through it carefully. In most cases, unpublishing means the page will no longer be visible to the public, but admins and authorized managers can still access it. When you are ready, click Continue, and then tap Confirm to complete the process. Once confirmed, your Facebook business page will be unpublished and hidden from public view. If you ever want to make it visible again, you can usually return to the same area in Settings and republish it later. As a quick tip before unpublishing your page, it may be helpful to make sure any important information, scheduled content, or messages have been reviewed so nothing catches you off guard while the page is hidden. Also, double-check that you are working on the correct page if you manage more than one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.